it will just split it for me. I will check exactly what I want, which is this one, and then I'll minimize this here. Hello guys. Good morning, afternoon, evening, depending on where you're listening from. So we want to continue from the movement, tech from the scratch. So today we are going to show how to split your screen. So it is usually very, very difficult if you are working on a screen this way. Let's say you just came to browse this on this browser and it's telling you how to start your career in tech. And it's saying that a career in tech is a career without boundaries and all of those details. And then maybe you are working with this, we are working with this, you're just trying to make note of this inside your Word document, and then you come to Word and you paste it. And every time you want to go back to that browser, you can either go and click and then continue scrolling. When you are done copying or doing anything, you would come back, or maybe you are adding tabs to browse more. You would have to always come back to the Word here to go and paste, and then go back to your browser. It is actually a back and forth stuff. So that's why you need to know how to split your single screen. Okay, so how do you split your screen so that you can have things coming up for you side by side? You use Windows and the navigation bar. I'm going to show you that here. This is the keyboard, right? And this is the application I'm working on. So what I will do is I will press the Windows key, and then I will press this one if I want it to come to the left, right? And then if I want it to come to the right, I'm just going to make sure I click on it, and then this, and then right, and it comes here. But in this case, we want to put the browser by the left hand side and another application, let's say the Word application, by the right hand. So the essence is so we can just copy from the left hand side and paste on the right hand side of our screen. So what I would do, I would just click on this, and then I'll click on this to bring my browser to the left, and then this is my application where I want to be pasting. I'll make it there, I'll maximize it on my screen, and then what I will do next is I will press the Windows key and I will press this. It will just split it for me. I will check exactly what I want, which is this one, and then I'll minimize this here. So in that way, what I can now do, if this is where I'm working on, I can just decide to come here and say, okay, if I want to move this, if I want to move this here now, I'll just copy this, and then I can hit enter here and paste it, right? And then if I want to add new tab to this place and I want to browse another thing, I can decide to do that and come back to this other screen and just paste, or I will still be working here and working here. So this is a very, very productive way of working, especially when you're working on different and multiple tasks. So I hope you are able to understand how to split your screen while working, just so you can have application running. Let's say, for example, I have Excel right here now open, and I want to have my Excel by the left hand side again. So what I would do is, again, I'll just come to my keyboard. Of course, it's already there actually, but if it were, because this one was up, this browser was up, so I can just minimize this, and then once I press the Windows key and then this, then it should split this for me. So what I'm trying to show you is I have my Word at my right hand side and my Excel at my left hand side. So this is how to split screen and to stay productive while working. Thank you for watching this. If you find it interesting and useful, of course, you may want to share with somebody who would want to learn something from this. Don't take it to be too elementary. Believe me, someone wants to learn this. Share with whoever you know should have this. So if you watch it to this extent and you like the content of the video, you may just want to give it a like. And if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please do, so that we can all work together. Thank you for your time and have a wonderful day ahead. Peace.